Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2732-20M18. The Milwaukee 2732-20 is one of the few circular saws that comes with all the features you need to get your job done in the workshop and on the job site, especially on the job site since it's cordless. It comes equipped with a 24-tooth 7-1/4-inch blade like other similar units, but it packs more power and speed, producing 5,800 RPM, allowing you to cut easily through hard boards. Equipped with a 15-amp brushless motor combined with Milwaukee's patented M18 fuel red lithium high-output HD 12.0 batteries, the 2732-20 offers true power, performance and optimum runtime you need to tackle the toughest tasks on the job site. Build quality is top-notch because both the blade guard and base plate are made of magnesium, which is very strong and lightweight. It will withstand falls and rough job site conditions. Whether you're working on the job site or at home in your workshop, the built-in rafter hook will make storage a breeze. Number 2. Dewalt DWE575SB. If worm drive saws are known for their beastly power and torque, sidewinders are known for being lightweight and being easier to maneuver. The Dewalt DWE575SB is one of the most compact and lightweight sidewinders out there right now. With a weight of only 8.8 lbs, tackling overhead tasks with it is certainly not going to be an issue for anyone. Apart from being lightweight, the DWE575SB also got the power to cut through dense hard lumber with ease. An anti-snag lower guard fitted with ball bearings ensures the lower guard moves fluidly as cut through lumber of varying thicknesses. The lower guard will never jam, even will all those dust generated in your cuts, and it will always move freely or stay put depending on the thickness of the lumber you're cutting. Number 3. SKILSOR SPT77WML-01. When it comes to making circular saws, Skil makes some of the best ones. The Skilsor SPT77WML-01 is a saw geared to power through hard lumber effortless, just like the Dewalt worm drive saw I talked about above. Apart from the saw handles, which are rubberized, the whole saw comprising the shoe plate and the blade covers are all made of magnesium metal to make the saw as light as possible. Even with all the gearing and power it boasts, the saw weighs just 11.6 lbs. If you've used other worm drive saws before, you'll know that this one is really lightweight, but it's still got the same power. A good depth adjustment lever ensures you can adjust the blade according to the thickness of the material you're cutting. Overall, whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a simple homeowner looking for a premium quality saw to meet your needs, the Skilsor SPT77WML-01 is a very good option to consider. It's got the power, the precision, and it's made to withstand heavy-duty use. Number 4. Makita 5477NB Hypoid Saw. The Makita 5477NB Hypoid Saw is a variation of the popular worm drive circular saw. However, instead of the common worm gearing, Makita fits the 5477NB with a hypoid gear, which increases the contact surface between the gearing and thus results in the transmission of more torque to the blade. It's the ideal saw for you if you always deal with dimensional and engineered lumber, like plywood, OSB, LVL and the rest. If you're looking for a saw to build a deck, frame a building, roof a building, or even build a hardwood floor that requires you to cut and use engineered lumber, then I'd advise you consider choosing the Makita 5477NB for the job. Number 5. Bosch CSW41. The Bosch CSW41 is a tool built just to rip woods apart with great power and precision. Just like all other Bosch tools I've seen, it's made with parts that are precisely engineered to last. The whole gear housing and shoe plate is constructed with magnesium metal, which is not only tough, but also lightweight compared to other metals used for tool construction, and it's also resistant to corrosion. The worm gearing ensures the saw always have enough torque to rip through any wood easily and precisely, just like a hot knife slices through butter. It's a job site saw ideal for cutting lumber used for framing, roofing, siding, deck building, etc. It's more than enough and capable to tackle all your home improvement or DIY projects if that's what you want to use it for.